This video is legendary. The fuzzy logic labels now being ripped out, replaced by AI. I want to show you all the crash out that Pippa had over like technology and the Nvidia crash out. It's very, this is so fitting to the whole DLSS debacle going on right now and how slop AI and all that stuff. It fits. Watch this.
I don't know how to turn off G-Sync, even though I know my laptop has it. I tried turning off Nvidia's dog shit ass fucking G-Sync thing, and it's just not in the settings, which doesn't make any sense because I know for a fact that the laptop has G-Sync because it has a fucking sticker on it that says G-Sync. Why is the setting not there? Nvidia control panel, you're not going to help me find it because I already looked at all of the different guides that tell you exactly where to
She doesn't hold back. That's why I still love her.
Find it, and the videos that show people bringing it up. So you can stop saying Nvidia control panel because I promise you it's not there. Modern computers are fucking dog shit. Some laptops you can't disable it. That makes sense. Bro, do you guys remember when Nvidia Broadcast came out and the previews for it was like, oh my god, it like eliminates background noise perfectly. This is so crazy. How does it do that? And then what should have been to nobody's surprise, it doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. It's not even like it kind of works. It straight up doesn't work. I don't know how they made it sound like that in the video. I think they must have used like video it's literally god, I fucking hate Nvidia. It's literally like
That is so fitting to the current problem with the whole DLSS. It's so insane how much this fits. Just the Messiah.
when games use pre-rendered graphics for their videos, when like AAA studios are like, wow, look, it looks just like a movie. Look at this. And then you boot up the game and it looks like a normal game.
I said that
and you're like,
sometimes too.
well, I'm not mad that it looks like a normal game, but I am kind of annoyed that the thing that like it looked like in the trailer is obviously nowhere near close to how the game actually looks. I'm not a fucking graphics frog that's like, oh, I need the game to look like it's fucking nighttime and raining all the time. Everything needs to be shiny and ray tracing and blah 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 blah. But it's like that's what Nvidia does with their fucking broadcasting thing. It's like, fucking kill yourselves. I hate you guys so fucking much. I hate modern computers, and people will
She hates Nvidia as much as I hate Xfinity Comcast. I'm gonna say that super out loud and highlight it for this video, because goddamn do I hate that company.
Plain, Pippa, boomer. Pippa's a fucking stupid boomer. Get with the times, old man. Why do you want to settle for worse products when things were perfectly fine 10 fucking years ago? What is wrong with you? Why are you so brainwashed? Why are you so happy to sit in the cuck chair while they make computers cost more and perform worse? You are fucking brain dead. You are so stupid. You have been conned by the idea that every computer should come overclocked by default with a shit ton of bloatware that supposedly makes shit run better, but all this shit was optimized for is the little fucking 11-year-old that want to play GTA 5 with ray tracing and fancy ass fucking graphics. And if you want to do literally anything else,
that's what I was saying earlier. It's the normies. They're trying to play it to like the normies who was wow and surprised by all that and immediately put their money in there. But then at the end of the day, they're not happy with like later from the consequences of their own actions. I swear to God, my old laptop from college was better than my modern PC. I know that's probably a main issue, but holy hell, this is like still, why do I still have some of those problems from like the times where things were just like slower?
then go fucking kill yourselves, because AAA gaming is in bed with these fucking computer hardware companies, and all they want to do is vigorously jerk each other off and make the same dog shit products with updated RGB and more fucking software. You are stupid. You are the downfall of this industry. You can talk all you want about how you built your own computer, but at the end of the day, the fucking hardware is dog shit anyways, and the shit you're going to be installing onto it is also fucking dog shit. Take us back to Windows 7. Return to things working just out of the fucking box. graphics. Stop with the ray tracing. Stop with the G-Sync. Stop with all of this fucking bloatware that does nothing. You are a cuck if you want this. You are getting cucked. You are getting bent over and fucked by the fucking computer companies that don't care about you. I don't like
I don't like. It's the reason why RAM sticks have also been going up. It's because people have been settling for garbage, and then now companies think that's what everybody likes, and then boom, here's like, make it worse, baby, make it worse for no reason. It's the media profile inspector. This tool can do lots of settings. I don't know. I just wanna be able to play my Game Boy Advance emulator in peace.
modern hardware. Today I have Alani Energy Pink Slush.
That's me right now. Everything from the DLSS Crashout that I had a minute ago fits into this. Bravo, Pippa. Bravo. Thank you.